Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. If so, I'm so happy to see you. If not, well, my name is Malene. I am a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. And for today's look, I pulled out my mini gold palette using all colors. It's from Natasha Denona, and if you would like to see how I got this look, please hang in there and I will show you exactly how. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And what's left for me to say then? Let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to show you this palette to begin with. Here you have it with some gorgeous green golden colors. Let's do it. Since there is no highlighter in this palette or an appropriate color to use as a highlight, I dipped my reference number 1 into the Bloom palette, the Glow Extreme. I'm just going to put it up here to begin with. I brushed off number 1 and dipped it into the Lodge, the lightest color in the palette. And I'm just using that as a transition shade. It's going to start out a little bit like the look I did with the gold palette, the bigger version of this mini gold. I pulled out my reference number 14 brush and dipped that into the Bia color. It's the matte green color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. To begin with, I'm just stamping it on here, and then I'm blending it into the other color like this, upwards and in circular motions. I want to use the same color as an eyeliner under my eye, so I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to pinch the brush and put it on as an eyeliner under my eye here. Oh, like this, mixing it into the same color on top here. If you want look that is not so dark, you can just put the light golden shade on the mobile eyelid now and call it a day. But I'm going to use all the colors, so I'm going to go into the dark sepia with my reference number 2 and put that in my outer corner here to deepen it up and a little bit into the crease. Dipped into this dark sepia again, because I really want to darken this part up. I dip my brush into the Anthea, I think it's called, the green shimmery color, and I'm putting that in the middle here and blending it into the dark color. And now for the golden color in the part that has no shadow so far. It's really shiny. It's so beautiful. I put on a bit of Fetish Eyes mascara from Pat McGrath to finish up the look, and I put a little bit of concealer under the eyes to lighten up the eye area. Now I'm going to zoom you out to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like with a full face of makeup. Today I did not put any falsies on because I just wanted to let the eyeshadows be the star of the show and not let the falsies take over. So for me, I could very well use this as a day makeup. It's a little heavy day makeup, but you can do it. I'm gonna go out shopping like this. Anyways, on my cheeks, I have used the Bloom palette from Natasha Denona, except from the orangey shade, and I have on the Matte Trans Guinevere from Pat McGrath on my lips. Now I'm gonna put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses, because they also tone it down a little bit. So this was today's look, 2 eyes with the same look. Ta-da! And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have an awesome day. Bye! Mwah!